Okay, one more question. My wife has got some marble in our kitchen that we need to have sealed. Can you come help us?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Put that on your calendar really for me.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey guys, we're at Maranatha Granite with Pedro. He does all of our countertop installs, and we're here to kind of watch how they fabricate our tops and kind of go over the type of tops that we normally use, and he's going to explain some of that to us. What is this right here? That's kind of cool, isn't it?
This is Fantasy Brown.
Okay, so that's actually more affordable, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And it is a leathered material. So
yeah, I get it.
Granite, natural stone, they come with 3 different polishes. You can actually get them in suede, leathered, and honed as well. But it all depends, like I said, even though quartz is very trending right now, people still love to go with natural stone.
So in my houses, I'm always trying to go after the most popular thing, what like most of the decorators are using.
Yes.
Is that normally honed is what people are choosing now?
Yes, yeah. Especially when it comes to darker materials, like black. If it's polished and you're the type of person, you're OCD and you don't want to see, fingerprints and everything else, honed or leathered is the way to go, even in outdoor kitchens.
Maranatha Granite does all of our countertops. Pedro is a really cool guy. I like their operation. It's kind of like a family business, which kind of attracted me to them. Pedro was very persistent and called me for about 1.5 years. And man, I'm so happy I started working with them. They do a great job.
Yeah, you see, that's honed right there, the one you touched.
It doesn't feel quite as honed, but
I know,
I get
right?
it, yeah.
But Taj Mahal, the quartz site.
I don't guess you a store like marble outside, so this is all granite product.
Just natural stone. Yeah. If you do, they stain easily.
Yes.
Yeah, especially
So when you say just natural stone, are you talking about quartz that's out here too?
Some. Now, that's...
Some of the cheaper stuff?
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so when it comes to quartz, it's a man-made product. Natural stone, when you refer to granite, quartzite, and marble, it comes from the ground and it's natural. So when it comes to what's durable, what's not, usually it's quartz. It's just like what we've been installing in some of your houses. Naturally, some people that love natural stone, they do go with marble, but then again, it does etch a lot. It could cause stain. And when it comes to granite and quartzite as well, it's more durable in the fact of when you compare it to marble and everything else. But when it comes to quartz, it's always the way to go. Yeah. To be honest, the majority of everything that people are buying now is quartz. They just like that man-made product, and it's a marble-like product that people like to compare to.
What's installed at your house in your kitchen?
Quartz.
Quartz, yeah.
Calicut gold.
Yeah.
Do we want to see the warehouse?
Cool, yeah, let's go do that. Okay, how many kitchens could you fabricate out of here a day?
Max will be 35 to 40 kitchens a day. I created a system through Google Sheets. So everything here, we use a label. So I created this on Google Sheets. It has algorithms of different, just numbers that we put in through the jobs. So it creates the stickers automatic. We put the job number, where it's cutting. So we have the saber, the robot, the pieces. So this is a 2 of 2. That's another bathroom.
So this is for like quality control.
Yeah. So I control.
So you head that up.
Yeah.
Typically what will happen is the cabinet maker will bring the base cabinets in. We'll already have that kind of scheduled and lined up, and then we'll have Pedro, his templater, lined up to come that same afternoon or the next morning to do the templates. And usually they'll install the countertops 2 to 3 days later. So this can be just do an origin here. And then we make the points. And this will give a live measurement here. And we basically just upload this drawing. Dude, that's crazy. That's awesome, man. To the machine, and they cut it based on these drawings. And it already allows to add the overhang, is that right? Yes. So like an 1.5 inch here, 1.5 inch here, 12 inches there? Yep. Okay. So like on an island, you're gonna do a 12-inch overhang to have some bar stools. You're gonna do 1.5 inches on the sides and on the front. And the sink is right here, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so here's the actual cabinet, And here's the actual top.
So this one right here is the cabinet itself, the cabinet measurements, and then we just add overhangs, and then the countertop's gonna come up to this one right here, or thread.
So are people still using granite much?
They are, but it's just more for the low income homes and bigger projects. But I will say that a lot of people do like the natural stone. Even in higher end homes, they just do, they like that natural feeling. But when it comes to everything else, it's just, I would say it's your taste when it comes to that. Some people like that natural stone, but quartz is definitely what everybody's using a lot nowadays. We are doing 600 units in Huntsville starting next month. We're doing the Morris Avenue building. We're doing the Frank building as well.
That's awesome. So who's selling those jobs? You?
Me.
Are you just out there hustling?
Yeah.
Maybe he's such a hustler.
I know he is.
His ass off. That's good. I would never say when I met Pedro they had a small business, but I can tell that they've really done a good job of growing it. They have bought a lot of equipment. They seem to be very ambitious people, and I just like working with people like that. So where do you get all this stone from? Does it come just on truckloads from?
From everywhere, pretty much.
Okay.
All of our granite comes from Brazil. So we have a direct supplier that ships in a big container towards the ports in New York and Texas. They ship it, and then we hire a truck driver to go get it.
Gotcha.
So we get all the natural granite from Brazil, and then quartz is from Spain and France. We used to buy from China, but
so quartz,
I've had issues with
quartz really is a man-made product.
It is.
Yeah. Pedro, man, it was great hanging out with you. I learned so much. Such a cool operation y'all got, man.
Thank you.
And I appreciate y'all helping us so much.
We're here for that.
So
Thank you,
if
Pedro.
anybody needs granite or quartzite countertops, this is the guy.
Yeah.